Hi, I'm Robert. This is my friend's Type R, and this is my system for a basic maintenance wash. First, I connect the hose to my pressure washer. Then turn on the water to bleed out any air in your lines. I have a custom-made cart for my wash buckets. I use Meguiar's Hyperwash in my buckets and foam cannon. Fill your foam cannon while waiting for your wash buckets to fill. Start with washing the wheels. It helps a lot to have a rolling stool and dedicated bucket for your wheel cleaning tools. The first step is to rinse any loose dirt from the rims. Then I spray the tires with an all-purpose cleaner and scrub them with a stiff bristle brush. All the products I use are linked in the description below. Once the tires are clean, apply a wheel cleaner to the rims. Use an easy detail brush to clean the inner barrels. Don't forget to clean the fender liners. Use a detail brush to clean the lug nuts. Use a wash mitt to clean the face of your rim. You only want to use this mitt on the rims. You don't want it to touch your paint. Now you can rinse everything off. We'll dress the tire later. After you finish one side and before you move on to the other, stop at the back and clean the exhaust tips. Just spray them with an all-purpose cleaner and brush them clean. Start with rinsing the cone. foam the car. After letting the foam sit a few minutes, it's time to wash. I use the 2-bucket method. One bucket has clean water in it and is used to rinse off the wash mitt. The other bucket has soapy water. Both buckets have grit guards in them. Wipe down a small section of the car, then rinse your wash mitt off in the clean water bucket. Then load up on soap and wash another section. Work from the top down. Rinse off all the soap. I prefer to use a garden hose instead of a pressure washer for this step. To dry the car, I use a waffle weave microfiber towel. I spray ammo hydrate on my drying towel, then I work in small sections drying the car. Don't forget to wipe down the door jambs with a fresh microfiber. I use Chemical Guy's VRP and a microfiber block to dress the tires. And that's it, we're all done washing this Type R. Thanks for watching.